How prepared is your truck? I got to.
Don't have any toe straps or anything like that, but we do have AAA.
So that's
what
your
if AAA?
Well,
can't
AAA
get
doesn't
to
come
you?
out in the
But-
snow. Okay,
but I've got a electric tire pump.
Okay.
okay.
I've
More than I
got
have.
I've got life straws.
Okay.
You can drink your pee.
What the fuck? What do you have life straw?
Okay.
Oh, because you guys are going hiking, right?
Drink your
I
pee.
get it.
Oh, my car. My
You
car.
do?
I have one. Yeah.
Yeah,
Not
dude.
mine.
Might be
Sorry.
expired.
Drink
but
your own pee.
It's literally called a life straw. It should be good for life,
No,
right?
it's to save your life.
to save your ass.
Yeah.
They call it an ass straw.
I'd never drink out of something called it.
Ooh, you guys want to drink out of my ass straw? What? Because it'll save your ass.
It's poop.
It's poop.
That would be a lot better marketing.
Oh God.
They'd sell a
ass,
lot
yeah.
more of those.
Yeah.